Hi, Mrs. Nelson here, 4th graders. We are going to look in depth at each type of text feature in a informational book. The first one that you could possibly have is called a glossary. So we're going to look at what is a glossary a little more in depth. A glossary, for example, is found in the back of a book. Okay? Always found in the back of a book. And it has bolded words. As you're reading informational text, you'll see all these bolded words that you might not know. But if you flip to the back of the book where it says glossary right here, you will be able to get the definition of the word you don't know, which is really important because you don't want to go through life thinking, hey, I don't know anything. Look it up in the glossary. Okay? So this is an example of a glossary from a book here. Okay, let's take a look at another glossary. Okay, so here's glossary terms. Again, it would be in a book at the back, and it would have all of the words you might not know. Brand new words, bolded words, strange, weird words that you don't know. You will see the word you don't know, emperor, penguin, bold, and then it'll tell you what it is. The largest species of penguin bird is the bird. This bird is found in Antarctica, okay? Rockhopper penguins. So you can find out a definition of the word, okay? Let's take a look at another one. So this one here is actually a picture from an actual book, but as you can see, this is a glossary from a book taking a picture. So, do you see the big dark black word right here? Ash. And then it gives the definition. Dust-sized rock material that blows out of a volcano. That's the definition. So you use a glossary to define a word. It's kind of like a dictionary for the book you're reading. So think of it that way. Glossary, dictionary for the word, dictionary for the book that I'm reading. So I know I can get a definition of the words I don't know. That is what a glossary is. Okay? So, it helps you define the meanings of the words of the book that you're reading. It's like a dictionary for the book that you're looking at. Okay, so answer some questions about a glossary for me. You'll look at it. So again, where do you find the glossary? Back of the book. What's the job of a glossary? It helps you define the meanings of the words in a book, usually words you don't know or words that are important. Okay, it gives you the word, and then it gives you the definition. So this is the word this is the unknown word, this is the vocabulary word right here, vocabulary word, definition beside it. Okay, so if we go back and we look at this one, word you don't know, word or words, and then the definition. Okay, go over here, vocabulary word, the definition is underneath of it. And you find it at the back. They help you define the vocabulary words or the words you don't know. Alright, good luck on the quiz. You will see that on the right hand side there. Answer the questions. You get 2 tries. So answer the question first, then check your answer. Good luck.